Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 6. I just want to give you a heads up on what this week is going to look like. We are reading in our text course 5, which is Food Goes Global, the Columbian Exchange, and it really is focusing on not only the horrific parts of this Columbian Exchange and what happened as a result because of that, but also the exchange of food that went back and forth. And so the assignment that you're going to do this week focuses on that, but I'm actually giving you 2 weeks to complete this assignment. So there's 2 things you're going to do this week after completing the reading and if you want to, viewing the PowerPoint, which again just summarizes the reading, important points of the reading. You're going to complete a quiz, a short quiz on course 5, which will be done before Friday at midnight. And then the assignment that you're going to complete is an Old World, New World food analysis. So what I want you to do is pick 4 days, and within these 4 days, write down everything that you eat and drink for the day. It's good if you can do these in a row, but they don't have to be in a row. And it's also good to include a weekend, just because a lot of times our weekend eating habits are different than our weekly or during the week eating habits. So you're going to record everything you eat and drink for 4 days, and then you're going to go through and you're going to analyze each piece of that food item that you've eaten. Is this an old world food, meaning native to European continents or even Asian or Australian continents, or is this a new world food, part of the North American, Central American, South American continents? And really think about where, we would be without that exchange having taken place. So if you eat, for example, something like a cheeseburger, you want to start to break that down. If your cheeseburger is beef, is the beef old world or new world? How about the bun? Is the bun old world or new world? How about the cheese? How about fresh tomato? If you have fresh tomato on your burger, or even ketchup, which is a tomato product, is that then because of an old world food or a new world food? So think about it. Do the reading and see what foods were exchanged and where they are native to. And you can also use good old Google or internet research to do a similar search if you run up against a food that you're just not quite sure about. So that's actually going to be due next Friday, October 15th. And then the other thing that I want you to do this week is take a look at the final project outline in the final project module, and just kind of understand, go over it, get a feel for what I'm asking. If you have any questions, you can pop them into our public forum. But because next week is a short week, technically we don't have classes on Monday and Tuesday next week because of the SUNY Delhi October fall break. We're just going to have that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so we're going to use that to focus on the first parts of your final project. I'll be working on completing the random selection of your bread or starch item that will be used for your final project, and then you'll be working on finding out what country it correlates to. But that's also not due until next Friday the 15th, so I just want to give you a preview of that by showing you the project outline. So the final project outline is a comprehensive sort of presentation that takes a look at a specific country and helps you to not only educate yourself, but also your classmates. So we'll get to see what food traditions are like in countries other than the United States. And so that includes 3 main parts: the country spotlight, a country timeline, and the day in food menu. And you can, as I said, read through this, take a look at it, let me know if you have any questions, and pop those into the public forum if you do have any questions. Okay, and more on that to come. So thanks everybody. Have a great week. Bye.